Launching a startup is an exciting yet challenging journey where the right tools can play a major role in transforming ideas into sustainable success. I'm Johnson from Elite Does Code, and I'm here to help you turn your creative ideas into a standout startup. In this video, we will explore the most essential tool for managing your sales, product management, and data analysis easily. Sales tools. Salesforce Sales Cloud. A complete sales platform that enables businesses to manage customer relationships, automate sales processes, and forecast sales performance with customizable tools for lead tracking and sales automation. Pricing from $25 to $330. Apollo.io. Apollo is a powerful sales management platform designed to simplify lead generation and outreach for startups. It combines a database of contacts with tools for email campaigns, task management, and analytics. Apollo helps sales teams target the right prospects, automate repetitive outreach tasks, and track engagement to optimize their sales strategies. Pricing from $0 to $190. Proposal tools. Proposify. A proposal management tool that helps businesses easily create, track, and sign proposals while streamlining the approval processes and ensuring consistency in proposal design. Pricing from $35 to $49. Custom pricing for enterprises. DocSend. A document sharing and tracking platform that allows businesses to monitor how recipients engage with their documents, making it easier to manage contracts, proposal, and other important documents. Pricing from $10 to $180. Project management and collaboration tools. Trello. A visual product management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and workflows, making it easy to track project progress and prioritize tasks in a collaborative environment. Pricing from $0 to $10. Custom pricing for enterprises. Asana. Flexible task management and calibration tool that helps teams plan, track, and manage their work. With features like project timeline, to-do lists, and integrations, Asana is designed to keep projects on track and improve communication within teams. Pricing from $0 to $25. Custom pricing for enterprises. Monday.com. A work operating system that enables teams to manage workflows, calibrate on tasks, and track project progress. It offers customizable workflows, automation, and easy-to-read dashboards to help teams stay organized and meet deadlines. Pricing from $9 to $90. Custom pricing for enterprises. Team collaboration. Slack. A messaging and collaboration platform that encourages team communication via channels, direct messages, and integrations with other tools, helping them work together more efficiently. Pricing from $0 to $20. Custom pricing for enterprises. Microsoft Teams. A calibration hub that integrates with Microsoft 365, offering chat, video conferencing, file sharing, and collaborative document editing to improve team productivity and communication. Pricing from $4 to $12. Web and user analytics. Google Analytics. A powerful and widely used web analytics tool that provides insights into website traffic, user behavior, and conversation metrics. It helps businesses track performance, optimize user experience, and improve marketing strategies. Mixpanel. A product analytics tool designed to track user interactions within digital products and provide insights into user behavior, retention, and engagement, helping product teams make data-driven decisions to improve user experiences. From $0. Amplitude. A behavioral analytics platform that enables businesses to track and analyze user actions, helping them understand how users engage with products and how to improve retention and conversion rates. Pricing from $0. Tableau. A data visualization tool that transforms raw data into interactive, visually compelling dashboards and reports. Tableau enables users to analyze and share data insights easily, making complex data accessible to non-technical users. Pricing from $50 to $70. Looker. A business intelligence platform that provides powerful data modeling, analytics, and reporting features to help organizations make data-driven decisions. Looker integrates with various data sources to provide real-time insights across business functions. Pricing from $0. Custom pricing for enterprises. So, Those are tools that can help your startup thrive. But of course, having the right tool is only half the battle. If you're looking to build or scale custom tech solutions, whether an app, platform, or internal tool, having the right team is just as crucial. At Eldesk Code, we specialize in building scalable solutions tailored to startups, helping them take their ideas to the next level. Find more details in the description below. The right resources can transform workflows, streamline processes, and set your business up for lasting success in today's market. Stay ahead in your entrepreneurial journey. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips and insights.